Okay, this is some more examples for section 1-5, and that's for my Algebra 2 kids. For Algebra 1, this also can apply to you for some special cases, but I just decided to make one video because it's the exact same content. So if you have an equation or an inequality where the variables become zero, if your leftover statement is true, your solution would be all real numbers. And if you guys choose to use that all real numbers symbol, I'm okay with that. And if the leftover statement is false, you're going to get no solution. So I'm actually going to give you an example of each because it occasionally pops up. So if you have something like this, all right, if you have something like this, you're going to get 6x minus 15 is less than 6x plus 30. Now, when you subtract your 6x's, they both become 0. So you don't have anything left. All you're left with is negative 15 is less than 30. So you just have to ask yourself, is this statement true or is it false? Negative 15, in fact, is less than a positive 30. So since the statement's true, we would say all real numbers. Now, to graph that, you would simply graph your entire number line. So since this is true, we go with all real numbers and shade the entire number line. Now, if you have something like this, you would get 4x minus 8 is greater than 4x plus 12. This is telling us when we subtract our 4x, they both become 0, so our remainder is negative 8 is greater than positive 12. That is definitely a false statement. So on this one, that is a false statement. So that's when we're going to go with no solution. So if you have a no solution, you do no shading on your number line. Do not shade on a no solution. So it's pretty simple. There's not a lot to it. Today, you're still solving them just like you would. But if you end up with no variables and you end up with two numbers in a statement, you just have to ask yourself, is it true or is it false? And if it's true, we go with all real numbers. If it is false, we go with no solution. And then we shade everything. If it's all real numbers, we shade all the numbers. If it's no solution, then we shade none of the numbers. So that will occasionally pop up as you are solving things. So I feel like you guys are comfortable enough to do your assignment. And if you have any questions, again, you always know where to reach me. Just send me an email and I'll get back to you. Have a great day.